Hey guys, how's it going? This video I'll be focusing on this week's market review and also a trade I took on EU, and I'll be covering a bit on the movement on dollar index and also GU. So on the dollar index weekly time frame, we can see currently there is a bearish trend that's happening at the moment, long-term trend since the 23rd of October, late October, and we can see quite recently in the past week that there was a weekly fair value gap that was respected, so I'm actually looking for short-term movement to the downside. So with inverse correlation with EU, I'm expecting EU to be bullish. And if we look at the daily time frame, you can see here there was an encroachment into the weekly fair value gap, but the closure was below it, indicating the respect of this weekly fair value gap. Thus, I'm holding my conviction of the price to potentially go downwards. Okay, so knowing that dollar index is bearish, this was a trade I took yesterday on EU. As we can see as well on the weekly time frame, there is a bullish trend that was set also around the October time frame. So on the weekly time frame, we know that it's bullish. We understand that also that if we plot a fib here, we can see that price is currently trading here on the 5th of January last week at a discount. So it's probably likely that we can see price traveling upwards here. And on the 4-hour time frame, what I noticed before I took the trade was sell side liquidity was here. So liquidity was taken out. We can see that weak rejection here. Let me take the fib away. You can see that there was liquidity purged here, indicating that smart money potentially looking to go up. And if I put in my kill zones on the 1-hour time frame, we can see this actually happened during the non-farm payroll last Friday. And if I was to put my economic events here, we can see that's when smart money took out all the sell stops here, with any stop losses that have been clustered here. They've taken that, and with big displacement, it goes up with a bullish trend. And what I like to do is also, if I plot a short-term fib here, we can see price retraced into the 61.8% zone during the UK session. And for me, whenever price retraces into a discount or a premium, that means it's good to go. It's an indication where it's a good time to buy or sell. So I trade the New York kill zone. So I was looking for a buy signal around here. So if I take the fib away, we also noticed that during the London session, there was also another liquidity purge here in the lower time frame sell side liquidity, right? So if I'm trading the New York time frame, it would be around 11 o'clock here in Australia, but it means it's 7 a.m. in New York. So basically, I took the trade around here. It wasn't on the 1-hour time frame. I actually lowered my analysis, and I was actually eyeing my positions on the 5-minute time frame before actually executing. So I noticed that there was displacement here towards the upside, and we already know that liquidity has been taken. So potentially price is targeting buy side liquidity here, right? Buy side liquidity here. So let me write that down. So I opened up my position around here, 109. I would say it's about 41. 109.41, and I put my stop loss, about 20 pips stop loss below that swing low here, and I was actually targeting the buy side liquidity here for 2.78 to 1 ratio. But I actually took my trade off around, I would say around here. It was a close to break-even trade, because there was there are CPI news coming up ahead today and tomorrow. So I'm not looking to actually hold my position too long. There's also an imminent BTC ETF approval in the next coming days or in the next 24 to 48 hours. So I'm not actually looking to hold my position for too long, given that news can severely impact where my positions will go. So in the end, I settled for a 0.64 to 1 trade. It was a little bit of a profit, but better than a break even. The 15-minute time frame on GU, you could see the price action was actually much prettier. The same way as EURUSD, price also retraced down towards the 61.8% mark, right? But you could see if I was to trade the New York session here, and if I was to go down to the 5-minute time frame, if I was to put a trigger here with displacement, targeting the buy side liquidity here, right? The buy side liquidity, we can see it's here. If I just chuck it in with the text, it would have been a comfortable 2 to 1 risk reward trade. But that's trading, guys. I mean, I was targeting EURUSD because of we can see that liquidity has been taken, and obviously I was targeting a higher risk to reward ratio, but GU in the end moved better than EU. But that's all right. That's trading. We'll focus on other opportunities in another day. And yeah, so basically that was it for Monday. If you're looking at what news is going to be happening in the next couple of days, it's going to be they're high impact news. You're talking about Australia CPI today, Friday for USD. So I'll just be keeping my eyes peeled on the price movement, not looking to do anything too crazy, not looking to size up any positions this week. Yeah, so hopefully that video was helpful, guys. Subscribe and leave a comment below if you like this kind of content. I'll look to actually put out more content in the next coming weeks, so that you guys can really enjoy and learn as we go. I'm actually looking to also refine my strategy. I've been using the ICT 2022. I'm not deviating from that strategy too much. So hopefully it will go well. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you guys at the next one.